Okay, now this is the Pocono Weather 360 extra for today. If you look at this map up in here on the left-hand side, this will tell you the year, the month, the date, and what it is here. Um, and it was initiated this morning, so that's pretty up to date. And if you look in the blue area, you'll see that's pretty much the area where the temperatures are below freezing. This is your very warm air down here in the red, and everything in between is basically 40s, 50s in that area there. So I'm just going to put this in motion, and you can stop it on your own whenever you want. But this, again, you can follow the date right up in here on the left-hand side as I put this in motion. And this takes you pretty for a lengthy period of time. So let's just put it in motion, and you can see it's slow motion here. So you can see here's tomorrow. It warms up again. You can see the cold front come through on the 16th with the rain. Um, the cold temperatures come down here around the 18th, 19th, and they stick around for several days. You can see warmer closer to the coast, but it does drop down around the 21st, 22nd, and really make cold air. And you can see this blue doesn't go away until around the 24th or so. And then you can see it's pretty much seasonable, but we don't see any of those bright reds down here making anywhere north. Every so often, cold air will drop down as we get into the end of the month. Now we're in April. You can see warm temperatures are surging in the center part of the country. They try to get into Pennsylvania, and then they kind of get stuck just below the state. But it's getting closer as we get around the 7th. You can see some chillier air comes down, keeps it suppressed to the south. And then as we get into this is around the 10th, you can see it's starting to come up. The colors are getting to the orange and the reds, and it does get knocked down a little bit around the 12th and the 13th. But this goes to show you one thing is that it's going to be up and down temperatures, but basically averaged a little bit below normal for the period, probably leading for the next 30 days. And that's the way it looks right now. So I'll just let this play out a little bit longer, and you can watch the dates and stuff like that, and you'll have a general idea what to expect. Just take note that none of these purplish colors to the north, which would be near zero, they don't make it back down in the PA. But definitely freezing temperatures can get in, especially at night, where you get the freezing temperatures. They're going to warm up into the 40s at minimum. So, I don't think you have anything like that to worry about.